Self-love is taking time to rest. Self-love is knowing that you deserve the best. Self-love is connecting with your inner self. Self-love is also doing good for others. Self-love is everything that brings you to a beautiful state of mind. Is it that you're not in a good relationship? Or you don't have a partner? Or is it that your finances are not enough? It doesn't matter what your problem is. If you figure out, there's only one thing that creates all your problems, and that is your subconscious mind programming. And what do you mean by subconscious mind programming? It is actually your beliefs, the beliefs that you have about relationships, peace, happiness, or anything that you're struggling with, be it money, your parents, or anything. So, how do you work it out? How do you change your beliefs? The beliefs that you need to have for a successful and happy life should be the ones that are in your favor. That means for your finances, you should have a belief that you deserve all money, all kinds of abundance, everything that you can think of that you really want in life. For example, a big house, a big car, or maybe like finances to spend on your creativity. So the point is that you should be clear about the fact that money is good. You deserve to have that thing that you want in life. For example, as I said before, the house or the car or any comfort that you're looking for. So in your inner space, it should be clear that you deserve it and that it's for your good and that you're really open to receiving it. Now, all of these things come to one thing, which is loving the self. Because when you love yourself, you clear out all the beliefs that are limiting for you. For example, if you're looking for a partner in your life, you would never think that you don't deserve a good partner, and you would not settle down for a person who is not respecting you. So you would choose a person who lets you be yourself, allows you to live your life the way you want to, helps you in growing, and all the other parameters that you have in life. So I was getting at what is that one thing that will give you all the things that you want in life, and that is true self-love. If you inside yourself can create a space where you truly desire good for yourself, love for yourself, and every beautiful thing in the world, then you can manifest it in your life. I will also share with you a few tips and tricks that you can use to inculcate a lot of self-respect, self-love. If you're not in a state where you love yourself, you can slowly train your mind into loving yourself. Because hating yourself, doubting yourself, and having a lower self-esteem is all about the thoughts that you're having for yourself. We all have this intrinsic value which is given to us by this universe and planet Earth, and that value is always the same. It doesn't matter what are the thoughts that we have about ourselves. We don't accept it, but we truly choose all our thoughts, and we have the power to choose loving and kind thoughts for ourselves. So slowly by a process, you can start to love yourself. So what are the practical ways in which you can start loving yourself today? Affirmations are a very beautiful tool to help you love yourself. So start from telling yourself that you truly and deeply love yourself and accept yourself. In your mind, start repeating, I truly and deeply love myself. I truly and deeply accept myself. You can start repeating these thoughts around 400 times a day. And you lovely being, it's scientifically proven that if you repeat something consistently, it becomes a part of your subconscious mind. The second way you can train yourself to love yourself is by looking in the mirror and saying, I love you. And this you can do 2 times a day and repeat it around 10 times. And slowly, after doing these affirmations, you can also start writing this affirmation. So you can write it 10 times a day, and when you have free time, you can even sing it. So say it aloud. I love myself. Or whatever feels better for you. I truly and deeply love myself. Alright, so these are the ways in which you can inculcate self-love, and parallelly you can move towards writing affirmations for the problem that you have. So for example, if you are looking for a big house, you can start writing, I have a big house. It might seem strange that you are using it in present tense, but that's how the affirmations work. Because then you feel that you already have it, and that's how your subconscious programming becomes. So this was a small video on how you can change your life by changing your mind and loving yourself. Loving yourself is one-step solution to all the problems in the world. It opens doors for all kinds of feelings and anything that you want to attract and manifest in your life. If you want more tips about how to love yourself, please put it down in the comments and I will make another video for you. I hope you enjoy this. Please do like, subscribe and share it with your friends. I love you. Keep loving yourself.